Guess what we're doing?
Annie,
Guess where we are?
where are
We
we?
stumbled upon it. We're in Ferry, Canada.
Ferny,
Ferry.
Canada. How'd we get here?
Don't you know? I don't know. We were going up to Eureka, and we drove through Eureka.
And we went to Eureka. That's nothing to see.
We're like, surely we're going to stumble upon something else, and we kept driving, and here we are. We got to the border,
And that was a trip.
and that was a trip, right? They stopped and he asked us a million questions.
Because why?
Because we didn't have our shop records.
Our passports.
Our passports. Right. And we didn't have any wine in the car. Because you're not allowed to bring that. So we didn't have any there.
Or any other types of things we're not supposed to have.
Nothing. No, you know.
So,
Right.
that's the story, and she's sticking to it.
And I'm sticking to it. And guess what today's date is? Today is July 23rd.
And why is that a significant day?
It is 5 years today that Jeffrey and I met and talked for 6.5 hours
And where? Oh, at a bar.
at a bar restaurant.
Yeah.
Lake Mary, right? Lake Nona. No, Lake Mary.
Like Nona.
Lake Nona, Florida.
Yeah.
We talked until we got thrown out. 5 years today.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
Oh, would you think? Food has been delivered,
I'm going to get everything away.
and this is just a mid-afternoon snack because we can't skip the snacks.
We need our power,
Right.
energy.
So we're going to cut this in half and devour it. We're not going to let you guys see the carnivorism that Joanne does.
But we will be back.
It is a family channel after all.
So today's video you'll see is a little different. We had seen and done so many things so quickly from the time between leaving Glacier and arriving here in Northern Washington. It all really seemed like a blur. So basically today we're going to do exactly that. A short little collage of all the incredible places we visited and stumbled upon. And to be honest, you know what they say, sometimes the unexpected is even better than the planned and expected. And this is just really the truth of what we found the last 2 weeks. Hope you enjoy as much as we did. Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Oh, we just got here to
We're here.
Birch Bay.
Wait. Campaign? Okay.
And we're exploring the area to figure out where we're going to ride our bikes.
And what else?
And we're going to pick up some groceries and things.
Ice cream.
Record this, baby.
Where are we going?
No idea.
You lie. It was a surprise. Look.
To me, too. Well, we're going to get on a ferry, but we may have to wait for the next one.
I'm wondering if we get on there and they tell everybody else, well, nobody else sits. What was the surprise? We're going where to where? To where?
To Lummi Island.
On a ferry.
triple pong.
Do you want to be?
Are you on witness protection program?
No. You're good.
Hey, what are we doing, Joe?
We're going to get snackies.
Why?
Because there's no other food here.
That's true. So we're going to go to a place here called Beach Store Cafe. So we're going to get snacks or sandwiches and stuff like that. So this is pretty, JoJo. You should go backwards. I'm holding the rope for him, guys.
Gosh, you're doing no such thing.
Oh, okay. Then let me go.
Go ahead.
A little steep getting down here. You need help there, honey? I'm glad you got it. Yeah, somebody started some type of lean-to structure here. A hut. So I've been working hard on this project, building a new house for Joe. Joe, what do you think of the new house? Oh, she's already starting to build it. She's helping out. This is awesome. Somebody's trying to build something here. Looks like Grace and Leona, they put their birthday here. Joe's got a walking stick.
Again.
Oh, Joe, what'd you do here? Joe got boo-boo.
Oh.
We can never take Joe out.
Why do I wear white?
Always wearing white.
It's awfully pretty, isn't it?
This is gorgeous. Look at that. Whoops. Try that again. This is gorgeous. Joe's prancing. Always upgrading her walking stick. Yeah, and the one we bought in the store for you in the truck, you never used. I know.
Yeah, that's right. Well, I was pulling down the slide and I needed something.
So look at all these islands out here, Joe. I think they call those the San Juan Islands, right? No? What are they called?
That.
She wants to disagree with me, but can't.
Where did we go?
Wherever you want. Careful. There you go. Get that one right there, Joe. Or that one laying there. That's a cool piece.
Now that is Jeff and I trying to find our balance, isn't it, honey?
Right.
You're straight as an arrow. Hold on. You're straight as an arrow and I curve and get heavy at the end.
And watch. They're perfectly balanced. A good wind will push it over, but...
like us.
A new beach? In a different part of the island. There's Jojo collecting sticks again.
All I need is this stick and that's it. And then you got one.
Now she's reenacting her Steve Martin routine from The Jerk. No, you can't have that one now.
The ashtray and the paddle gamer, that's all I need. And this remote control. The ashtray and the paddle game and the remote control, that's all I need.
Nice sock there, honey.
Let me tell you. Oh.
Now your kitty socks fell off. Is that a kitty or a dog?
Just a minute.
I could bend down and help you.
No, you're good. I didn't expect that. Hold on.
But it's more fun to watch you struggle. Why are you putting that away from me? Now you need me to hold on to it.
Do that. Oh. You're not allowed to use a walking stick. Baby.
Let's go, honey.
We hope you all enjoyed these really neat places that we landed into and all the impromptu visits as much as we did. In fact, I hope you all got a glimpse of just how much impromptu Jeff deals with me on a daily basis. If you all knew how much he actually has to edit out every single day because of my antics. But honestly, we really do love sharing it all with you. Now, don't forget, this Sunday, we're going to release all of the details for the contest to win those 2 brand new cinch bikes. So please make sure you all tune in. And of course, if you all like what you saw, please comment. Don't be shy. And do all those things like subscribe, ring that bell. Okay? We hope you have a blessed day and then make this a great bucket list day. See ya.